In this video series, we are going to create these Instagram stories, and this looks exactly the same as the real one. And you can see each story has a ring, which is a gradient ring. And you can see there's a scroll buttons, but the scroll buttons only appeared when it starts scrolling for the left one, and when you scroll, it appears, and when you scroll to the end, it will disappear. And you can also see the text is truncated for the username. So let's start to build our project. To start building our project, we go to the terminal and type npx create next app, and also with the TailWindCSS. And then we add our own name. We add IG stories. And then we type cd and then IG stories. And enter the folder, we type code dot to go to the VS Code. And then if we open the terminal, and then we type yarn dev to open the project. And now we can see a page like this. So we can delete all of these and create our own IG stories. So we go back to the project and go to the index page, and then we delete all of this. So instead we are using the div with the class name of HScreen, and this is from the Tailwind. The HScreen means the height is 100% viewport height, and then we type div.inset half. So this helps us to create all the things inside the center of the page. So for example, we type stories, and we forgot to, in order to make this work, we have to position this is relative, and the next thing is this is absolute. So we could move this relative to this parent. So we type absolute, and now we save it and back to the screen.